Boom! You hit 740. Amazing, right? You're probably thinking best loans, lowest interest rates. But hang on. While 740 is a monster score, is it truly the VIP pass to the absolute best terms? Or could you still miss out on those rock bottom rates lenders advertise? Let's dig into what that 740 really gets you. First off, a 740 score is solidly very good. Lenders generally see this and think low risk, high approval odds. You're way above the average US credit score, opening doors for most loans, like mortgages and car loans. FICO calls scores from 740 to 799 very good, so you're definitely playing in the credit big leagues. Let's talk mortgages, the biggest loan for most people. With a 740, you're often qualifying for great conventional loan rates. Many lenders reserve their best advertised rates for scores of 740 and up. So yes, you're in the race. But for the absolute best rates, or particularly for cheaper private mortgage insurance, PMI, if your down payment is under 20%, some lenders might look for a 760 or even higher. The mortgage rate difference between a 740 and an 800 might be tiny, but PMI savings could be notable with a higher score. So 7 on 40 gets you excellent terms, but the pinnacle might be a bit higher for those extras. What about new wheels? A 740 score is powerful for auto loans. Expect easier approvals and access to prime rates, including those juicy 0% APR deals many lenders offer to those in the very good credit range. You'll definitely qualify for excellent rates, saving big bucks compared to someone with a lower score. While an 800 plus might snag the absolute very best, a 740 puts you in a fantastic position for some of the best offers out there. Now listen up. This is super important. Your 740 score, even though it's great, isn't the only factor. Lenders also scrutinize your income, job history, and your debt-to-income, DTI ratio, to make sure you can handle the payments. They'll also check your savings, the size of your down payment, and sometimes even the loan purpose or current economic conditions. Your score opens the door wide, but these other details shape the final offer you receive. So, back to the big question. Is a 740 credit score really good enough for the best loans? For the most part, heck, yeah, it is. It qualifies you for excellent interest rates and terms for both mortgages and auto loans. An 800 plus might snag slightly better terms on specific things like PMI, but the actual dollar difference in monthly payments on the loan itself is often minimal. With a 740, you're in a strong negotiating position and likely not leaving much money on the table. So, what's your story? If you've had a 740 credit score, did you get the rates you were dreaming of? Share your experiences in the comments below. What you've learned could help someone else. All right, to wrap it all up, a 740 credit score is a super strong financial weapon. It'll get you high approval odds and access to some of the best interest rates for mortgages and auto loans. While getting the absolute tippy-top best of the best might sometimes mean a score closer to 800 for certain things like PMI, a 740 puts you firmly in the elite squad of borrowers. Always remember that your entire financial health, including your income and DTI ratio, plays a huge role right alongside your score. So, be proud of that 740, understand its power, and walk into those lender meetings like a boss.